If you're thinking about entering the world of direct-to-garment printing, there's no better companion than M&R's exciting iDot digital textile printer. Not only does iDot have the sophisticated feature set experienced professionals require, it's priced within the reach of most screen printers, embroiderers, and other garment decorating professionals. iDot prints quickly and easily on white shirts and creates unequaled prints on colored and black shirts. Since trouble-free computer operation is essential to successful direct-to-garment printing, M&R includes a complete computer system and monitor as part of the iDot package. Each computer comes pre-configured with all the necessary software to operate the iDot, so users don't have to load or configure system software, much less resolve hardware or software conflicts. The inclusion of a PC also enables M&R to extensively test each iDot system prior to shipment. iDot's phenomenal image quality and ink saver capability is made possible by M&R's exclusive Absolute Position Technology, or APT, and iColor RIP software. APT gives iDot a level of repeat registration not found in any other digital textile printer. While most printers rely on low-resolution encoders, APT uses M&R's proprietary high-resolution servo encoder. APT's custom-designed firmware integrates flawlessly with M&R's iColor RIP software. Here's an inside look at the key components of Absolute Position Technology. The Programming Logic Controller, or PLC, is the computer that drives the system. The servo amplifier translates the PLC's commands for movement of the pallet and interfaces with the printer. And the servo motor moves the pallet on an industrial-grade dual linear rail transport system designed for precision and repeatability. M&R's proprietary iColor RIP software quickly converts your art files into printed images with maximum sharpness and exceptional color accuracy while minimizing print time. iColor can accept images in 9 file formats: JPEG, PSD, TIFF, PNG, TGA, GIF, bitmap, PCX, and DIB. iColor even recognizes and preserves Photoshop channels for creating transparencies and highlights in your artwork. In addition, the iColor RIP precisely calculates the need for white underbase when printing on black garments. iColor analyzes the black values in your artwork using the shirt's black rather than printing black ink over an unnecessary and costly white underbase. This can substantially reduce the consumption of white and black ink, significantly increase print speed, and provide superior shading and gradations in all colors. iColor is also designed with the sophisticated business person in mind. While it's printing, iColor tracks the time to print and ink cost for each print, so you can easily evaluate your costs and pricing. After each job is fine-tuned and printed, it can be saved and recalled along with all the job parameters for quick and precise repeat production of artwork. The combination of these and other key features makes iDot unique. Not only does it offer the most value in its price range, it's superior to printers costing more than twice as much. The iDot is a completely integrated workstation, combining printer and computer stand into one compact unit that supports not only the printer, but also the computer and monitor at ergonomic working heights. iDot comes with a 14 by 20 and 1/2 inch palette, but can print images up to 16 by 20 inches on 100% cotton, 50/50 cotton blend, and some polyester fabrics. A sturdy palette height adjustment mechanism raises and lowers the printing palette to accommodate substrates of varying thickness. iDot's laser-guided substrate placement helps ensure that garments are correctly positioned. Inks can be supplied to the printer by convenient 220 milliliter iPack ink cartridges or the iPack bulk ink system for higher volume shops. Both methods feature the exceptional DuPont Artistry inks, which use state-of-the-art formulations for spectacular results when inkjet printing on garments. A touchscreen user interface simplifies operation and makes accessing the iDot's robust programming easy. iDot's Supply Startup Kit includes 8 iPack ink cartridges, 8 iClean cartridges for printhead flushing, iPrep fabric pretreatment for dark and colored garments, iTack palette adhesive, and iClean solution cleaning swabs and a syringe for printer maintenance and cleaning. From the included computer and workstation to the complete startup kit, M&R's iDot comes with nearly everything you need to get started in digital textile printing. With M&R's iDot, you'll be turning out amazingly sharp text and line art with exceptional blending and photographic transitions in no time at all.